so the next one is going to be a foldable. It says formulas on the top, and then on the bottom flap, when you flap it down, it says area of a circle and area of a sector. Okay, so the formula for the circle is going to be pi r squared, and then units squared because you're doing area. So it says find the area of the circle and use 3.14 for pi. All right, the circle says the radius is 12. So we're going to say pi times 12 squared. And then if we use our handy dandy calculator, then we're going to say 3.14 times 12 squared. And that's going to give us 452.16. So this is 452.16. And then we're going to have to go ahead and add our label, which is centimeters. So this is centimeters squared. All right, so for the next one, we're going to say find the area of the circle. All right, this time you have a diameter of 19. So to get your radius, you divide this by 19. So in the calculator, we're going to do 19 divided by 2 with a decimal. And that's going to give us 9/5, sorry. So the radius is equal to 9.5. All right, so now with this, we're going to do the formula. So area of a circle, pi r squared. So pi times 9.5 squared. So we're going to type it in the calculator. 3.14 times 9.5 squared. And that gives us 283.39. Because this 5 rounds this 8 up. So we're going to say 283.39, and we can't forget our label. So we're going to say feet squared. All right. This one, it says find the radius of the circle. So we're going to be working backwards. All right. So this time we're going to say the area of the circle is 379.94. So 379.94 equals pi r squared. So we need to divide both sides by 3.14. So we divide this by 3.14. So my calculator wouldn't turn off on me. It's going to be 379.94. 379.94 divided by 3.14. And that gives us 121. So we have 121 equals r squared that's remaining on the on the right. We take the square root, so the square root of 121. Okay, so due to the square root, we're going to hit the control, and then we're going to hit x squared, and it's going to pop up with the radical. And then we type our number, 121, and that's going to give us 11. So our radius is 11. All right. This time it wants to know the diameter. So we're going to say 19.625. So 19.625 equals pi r squared. Again, we're going to divide by 3.14. So we say 19.625, 19.625 divided by 3.14. And we get 6.25. So 6.25 is equal to radius squared. Take the square root, so we're going to take control x squared, 6.25. And that's going to give us 2.5. So 2.5 is equal to our radius, but they want the diameter, so we have to multiply this by 2. So we're going to take the answer, multiply by 2, and that's going to give us 5. So our diameter is 5.